Now we are going to add the shadow to the containers and also the gray color to the background. And first we are going to delete this tag just for debugging. So we back to the app.js and back to the top of the div, and which located here. So we delete this, and then we create app.css under the source folder. So we create new file, and then app.css, and then under the app.css file, we add the element selector, and then we add the background colors to be gray. And then we back to the app.js, and on the top we import the app.css. Now you can see the background color changed to gray, and now we want to make this container to have a nearly white colors. So we go to the class name, and then we add to-do box, and then under here we type dot to-do box. And then since we want to add the shadows, and the most convenient way is we go to some box shadow generators, and then we copy this and then paste to here. And we also want to make the background color to be FA, and this is my favorite colors for creating the background of the div. Now you can see it already appeared, and you can see it has shadows, so make it separate from the background. And we do not want to cut it like this way. We want to have some paddings, and we do not want the title so close to the navigation bar. So we go to here and set the margin top, and we paste 10 pixels, and then we also create the paddings of 30 pixels. And now after we save it, we can see there are some paddings, and also the containers is not stick to the browser's edges.